All right, let's look at this third example. We got 13 equals negative 4k plus 9. So one of the reasons why I put this one in here is because you see on the other examples, your variable is on your left-hand side, and this one, it's on the right-hand side. Does that change anything we're doing? No, it does not. Doesn't matter which side the variable shows up, you're still going through the same steps, same process. You still have to handle your addition and subtraction first, and then the multiplication and division. So let's do that. We have an adding 9 at the end here, so we need to do the opposite of that. So we're going to subtract 9. Remember, what happens on one side of the wall happens on both sides. So 13 minus 9, that gives me 4. We didn't do anything with that negative 4k, so we got negative 4k. Positive 9 minus 9 gets rid of that. All right, now we can handle this multiplication right here. So opposite of multiplication, I'm going to divide both sides by not just 4, but that negative 4 as well. That negative sign, if there's a negative sign in front of your coefficient, in front of your variable, you have to do it all. If you divide by just positive 4, that's not going to leave you with just k. And that's our goal, is to get just k by itself. Because negative 4 divided by negative 4 is a positive 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is a negative 1. So again, what does that mean for this equation? That means that this number right here has to be negative 1 in order for this to be true. If I did my math right. All right, this last example, we got 7 minus 3y equals 34. Again, I changed up the order of things that you're used to seeing them in. Nothing changes though. Let me say that again, nothing changes. My y is still being multiplied by this negative 3. And then how this is a positive, that means that this is a addition. Okay, so we're still handling that addition and subtraction first. We have this addition. Remember, this subtraction goes with my variable, goes with that negative 3 that is being multiplied. It's not a separate subtraction. So this is being added to it because it's a positive 7. I could rewrite this so that it is in this format. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It still doesn't change anything. I'm going to do that down here so it looks like it's a separate example. So I can move this over here and this over here. So then it's negative 3y. Remember, that negative sign travels with that number. I really want to get this through. Then this is a positive 7, so that means plus 7 equals 34. So if it helps to rewrite our variable in the front and then our constant next when solving these problems, you can do that. Just make sure you get your signs proper. So going back to this, so this is a plus 7. We can clearly see that now here. So to do the opposite, I need to subtract 7 from both sides. And positive 7 minus 7 gives me 0. Nothing happened to this negative 3y. 34 minus 7 is 27. Now again, I can handle my multiplication and division. Right now it's being multiplied by that negative 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. I'm being annoying intentionally. If I am extra annoying, then you might remember it. So 27 divided by negative 3 is not just 9. Look, what's it got to be? It's got to be negative 9. Okay, let me know if you have questions.